Job analysis plays a critical role in shaping the recruitment and selection process. It involves systematically identifying the tasks, responsibilities, and work context of a particular role. From this analysis, organizations can define the knowledge, skills, and abilities required for job performance. Accurate job analysis ensures that recruitment efforts target candidates who match the real demands of the position, improving the quality and effectiveness of hiring decisions. In the recruitment or sourcing stage, the job analysis serves as the foundation for writing clear job descriptions and setting qualification standards. When HR professionals know what tasks the job requires, they can attract applicants who are likely to succeed. KSAs also help recruiters identify which platforms or networks will best reach the right audience, whether through job boards, university linkages, or professional groups. During initial assessments, such as reviewing applications, resumes, or conducting screening interviews, KSAs function as benchmarks for evaluating candidate suitability. For instance, if a position requires strong analytical thinking, the resume and application form can be screened for related coursework, certifications, or work experience. Structured screening interviews may probe for initial evidence of essential skills or abilities identified during job analysis. Informal assessments, such as standardized tests, structured interviews, or assessment centers, the KSAs identified in the job analysis directly shape the content of evaluation tools. If problem solving or teamwork is a priority KSA, the assessments are designed to measure those capabilities using validated psychometric methods. This alignment improves the objectivity and relevance of the selection process. In the manager's decision phase, KSAs continue to inform the final evaluation. Hiring managers use the information from assessments to compare how well each candidate aligns with the job's core requirements. Clear documentation of KSAs and assessment results also supports consistency, fairness, and legal defensibility in hiring decisions. As practitioners of psychology, psychometrics refers to the science of measuring psychological traits, abilities, and attributes. In the context of selection, psychometric tools are designed to objectively assess KSAs such as cognitive ability, personality, emotional intelligence, and job-related skills. These assessments are grounded in research and are statistically validated to ensure that they are fair and predictive of job performance. Psychometric tests contribute to the reliability and validity of selection procedures. Reliability ensures that the test consistently measures what it's intended to, while validity refers to how well the test predicts future performance. For example, a cognitive ability test may show strong validity in predicting job performance in roles that involve analytical thinking. This allows organizations to use data-driven methods instead of relying solely on interviews or intuition. Another advantage of psychometric assessments is that they reduce subjective bias. Traditional interviews can be influenced by personal impressions or unconscious bias, but standardized tests provide measurable scores. This makes comparisons between candidates more objective and defensible, especially when used alongside structured interviews and other validated tools. While we consider various factors to identify the most suitable applicants, the rejection of other candidates is a natural part of the process, and there are a few common reasons for it. One of the most common reasons for rejection is qualification and job fit issues. Applicants may not meet the minimum education or experience requirements, or their skill sets may not align with the role's demands. Sometimes candidates are overqualified, which raises concerns about long-term fit or retention. A poor match between the applicant's preferences and job conditions, such as travel, schedule, or location, can also lead to rejection. Application and communication problems are another frequent cause. Even well-qualified applicants may be rejected if their resumes are poorly written, incomplete, or submitted late. Failure to follow instructions during the application process or showing a lack of professionalism during interviews can create a negative impression. Weak communication, lack of preparation, or generic answers during screening can also hurt their chances. Lastly, some rejections stem from external or process-related factors that are out of the applicant's control. This includes situations where the role is filled internally, placed on hold, or canceled due to budget changes. Sometimes a large volume of applicants means that only a few candidates move forward despite many being qualified. Background check issues, hiring freezes, or shifts in organizational priorities can also result in rejections unrelated to applicant performance.